Welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make simple doodle animation videos. Before begin, I would like to share with you one of the top ranking YouTube doodle animation channel that inspire me very much. This is the Doodlin channel that hits 4.7 million subscribers and 1.4 billion views. So, this is very impressive, right? Are you getting excited? Want to know how to do this? Stay tuned. I will show you a simple step to make almost similar kind of doodle animation video. First of all, we will need to source some free doodle images, free background photos, online text-to-speech translator, free graphic editor software and free video compose software. Don't worry, I will write the source link below. For free doodle images and background photos, you can go to the stickpng.com website for download. Key in the wording and press the search button to source for your free image. For instance, I search for superhero. Wait for pop-up screen and save the image to your directory. To record voice with different slang, you can use free online text-to-speech translator. Simply go to the ttsmp3.com website. Select the country and the speaker voice. For instance, I choose the Chinese Mandarin Ziyu speakers. Type in the text in the dialog box and press red to listen to the voice. If you satisfy with the voice, click the download button and save to your directory. For image and background photos editing, I use the free GIMP software. Don't worry, I will write the source link below. Open the GIMP software, go to File and select Open the Doodle Expression image. Go to the image cursor at the right side, right-click and select Add Alpha Channel. Click on the Select by Color tool icon and pick on the white color background. Press Delete button to remove the white color background to Alpha Channel. Click on the Crop tool icon and crop all individual face expression. Save all the face expression image for further editing later on. Open the character image, go to Color ticker icon and pick on the face color. Go to Paintbrush and remove the character face expression. Open image as layers for the previous edited face expression. Rotate, move and enlarge the face expression image to suit with the character. Save and repeat the same process for all the face. Open the office image, open image as layer for the table image, scale and move the table image to desired location. Open again image as layer for the computer screen, move to desired location. Repeat the same process for others image that you want to insert as background image. Hide the not related image by click on the eye icon. Remain the Mac computer and Office background image. Remember to set the Office background image to Add Alpha Channel. Click on the free Select tool to select the areas on the Mac computer background to convert to Alpha. Press Delete button to remove the background to Alpha. Unhide the previous image, and save the image. Open the previous edited background image, open image as layer for the previous face image. Move the face image to below the background image by click on the down arrow button. Repeat the same process for the remaining images and save it. For open source and free video editor software, you can go to Google and key in shortcut and then click enter. Don't worry, I will write the download link below. After open the Shortcut app, you will see a new project tab. Here you can choose the projects folder that you want your project file to be saved. You will need to type in a project name for this doodle animation. I rename it as Funniest Online Interview Conversation. Video mode I use HD 1080 pixel and 30 frame per seconds. Then click Start. First, click on the open file to input your image to the playlist. Click to add video track and then drag the image file to the playlist. Click to add audio track and open file to import the audio. Drag the audio file to the track. Readjust the image to the audio track. Preview the results. Click Export File if you satisfy with the final results. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please remember to click the like button and don't forget subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos and hope to see you soon.